Richard's leadership, Captain Montreal. Leadership is a crucial element in any organization or team's success. A leader's qualities can make a significant impact on the group dynamics, morale, and overall performance. In this video, we will explore Richard's leadership style as Captain Montreal and examine how it has influenced the team's success. 1. Who is Richard and his role as Captain Montreal? Richard is a seasoned professional in the realm of sports, particularly ice hockey. He has a wealth of experience as a player and has now taken on the role of Captain Montreal. As the captain, Richard is not only responsible for leading by example on the ice, but also for fostering a positive team culture and motivating his teammates. 2. Leading by example. Richard understands that actions speak louder than words. As Captain Montreal, he consistently demonstrates his commitment, work ethic, and dedication to the team. He is the first to arrive at practice and the last to leave, setting an example for his teammates to follow. Richard's discipline and perseverance become infectious, with the rest of the team striving to match his level of determination. 3. Communication and transparency. Effective communication is key to maintaining a well-functioning team. Richard ensures that he establishes open lines of communication with each team member, creating an environment where ideas and concerns can be freely shared. By actively listening and giving importance to everyone's input, Richard makes each team member feel valued and appreciated, creating a sense of psychological safety within the group. 4. Emotional intelligence. Richard possesses a high level of emotional intelligence, which allows him to understand and manage the emotions of his teammates effectively. He recognizes that success is not only dependent on physical skills, but also on the mental state of the team. Richard creates a positive atmosphere where individuals feel supported, motivated, and inspired to bring their best selves to the game. His ability to empathize and provide encouragement during difficult times strengthens the team's resilience. 5. Adaptability and flexibility. In a fast-paced and competitive environment like ice hockey, things can change rapidly. Richard understands the importance of being adaptable and flexible. He encourages his teammates to embrace change and adapt their strategies based on the requirements of the game. Richard's willingness to adjust his own approaches when necessary fosters a sense of trust and teaches his teammates the importance of being open-minded and adaptable. 6. Building a strong team culture. Richard recognizes the significance of a strong team culture in achieving long-term success. He promotes a sense of unity and belonging amongst the team members, emphasizing that the team's success is dependent on each individual's effort. Richard encourages team members to foster healthy relationships, support one another, and celebrate each other's victories. He ensures that everyone feels like they are an integral part of the team's journey, promoting a strong sense of camaraderie. 7. Setting goals and holding oneself accountable. As a leader, Richard understands the importance of setting clear goals and holding oneself accountable. He encourages his teammates to set personal and team goals and provides continuous guidance and support to help them achieve these objectives. Richard's own commitment to personal growth and improvement inspires his teammates to take a proactive approach to their own development, reinforcing a culture of continuous learning and self-improvement. Richard's leadership as Captain Montreal has been instrumental in the team's success. His ability to lead by example, foster open communication, demonstrate emotional intelligence, adaptability, and build a strong team culture has created a positive and high-performing environment. Richard's influence extends beyond the ice hockey rink, instilling valuable life lessons in his teammates that can be applied both on and off the field.